Hello, Cannin users. Welcome back to another technical analysis session with me, Stephen. And this week we're going to look at another bioceutical company, one not originally in the cannabis space, but one that has certainly entered the cannabis space now. This week we're looking at Easton Pharmaceuticals. Listed on the OTC, EAPH is the ticker, and they do a lot of topical products, application on the skin. Some in sexual health, some in wound healing, pain relief, and they have experience with even having an FDA approved drug in the past. But now we see that they've signed some cannabis agreements in Toronto where they're based with Alliance Group and others, and they're going to start to grow, process, and introduce some of these cannabinoids into some of their technical know-how in some of these products. So a really interesting company. Pay attention to the fundamentals as they don't have a lot of revenue, but some of the drugs in their pipeline could be very interesting. But again, this is the technicals, so let's jump into the pricing chart. You'll see we're looking at Easton Pharmaceuticals on the OTC, again using our Hakanashi, which we love to see. It's very obvious. Trends using the Hakanashi instead of regular candlesticks. And then we're using a couple momentum indicators, the No Sure Thing, the KST, the Chaikin oscillator, which we've looked at many times here, and the CCI, which is also been looked at here, the commodity channel index, but we're going to see what these three indicators are telling us. It started at about 17 cents. It's come down a couple. There's been a little bit of movement. But let's look and see what the No Sure Thing indicator is telling us. Here's 0, and so we're just about to have a cross on the 0 axis. Look at what the chicken is showing us as well. Just recently crossing 0. A negative correlation here between both of these indicators going negative at the same time. And then our CCI, fresh off of a period of weakness, and now entering a little bit of positivity. If you recall, the CCI is the difference between the stock's price and its average price change. So you can see we're coming off a little period of weakness here. So period of weakness, negative cross, all of these indicators are telling us pretty much the same thing about what's going to happen in the very short term here with Easton Pharmaceuticals. So continue to use indicators in learning, continue to watch Easton for some of this movement that we're predicting in the next couple of days, and check Cannin.com for those fundamentals to wrap it all together before you're done trading. Have a great week.